So, what are the lifestyle modification the parents should do if they think that the baby is overweight or obese?
These lifestyle modifications, I think by now all the parents would have heard about it or read about it somewhere. Like both WHO and IAP have come up with this, where they follow a rule of 5-2-1-0. 5 is they should have 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. To less than 2 hours of screen time per day. That screen time, if the child is less than 5 years, that should be as less as 1 hour. After 5 years, it can be up to 2 hours. Then the child should have 1 hour of physical activity every day. There should be 0 added sugars in our daily meal, whatever we have. We should try to follow this. If these measures are followed, majority, like to a large extent, we will be able to, counteract obesity. And about DASH diet, जो आपने पूछ रहे थे, पहले तो मुझे याद आता है कि like I feel we should not use the word diet. Like it should be more like meal planning, healthy meal planning. That is what even our professor used to always tell us.
So
even regarding diabetes.
अभी ऐसे इंडियन सोसाइटी में ऐसे हो गया ना डॉक्टर धानिया कि हेल्दी खाना मीन्स डाइट. वो ऐसे होना नहीं चाहिए, बट हाँ वो हो गया. मैं डाइटिंग पे हूँ, आई एम ईटिंग हेल्दी.
आई थिंक इट इज आल्सो बिकॉज जो हम बहुत पहले करते थे वो सब ठीक नहीं था शायद. लाइक दैट वाज ओके फॉर दैट एरा. लाइक मे बी से 50 years ago it was important that we stayed, like we got enough nutrition, so we had to take in more carbohydrates. जैसे हम खा रहे थे लाइक 3 रोटी और उसके साथ थोड़ा सा ही सब्जी और थोड़ा लाइक चटनी और कुछ खाते थे. लाइक दैट वाज इट. That era when like food was not freely available to everyone, people had to like work for it quite a lot. So sustenance was the major, our major aim in that era.
Yes, survival was the
major thing. But now when you look at least for the urban population, I'm sure everyone is like earning decent amount that they can spend on food. So when you can spend on food, like it is important that we look at what we are eating. And in general, the rule is if you can follow my plate method, which says that almost like half of your plate should have like green vegetables and fruits. That should comprise the majority of your meal. Then say around 40 to 50% can be carbohydrates, and then 30% should be your protein. So each meal should be like a balanced meal. And if at all it's hard in a smaller child, maybe you can make it like if one meal is more of protein, then the next meal can be a little more carbohydrate. Like you can adjust it throughout the day. But it is important to incorporate each of these. And when you try to make this, like the plate also looks colorful, and it will make it more interesting for the child to eat. And one more thing, what we should remember is all this should be followed by the entire family. It is not like you tell the child to follow and then you are not following it. Then it doesn't work out. Like only if all of the family members are doing it, then it works out. There are some parents where like one child is obese and the other child is not so obese.
Right. So if you can little bit elaborate on this traffic meal plan, right? What are the red light food? What are the yellow light food? What are the green light food? So that will be helpful for the parents.
Again, this will translate to what we just discussed. The traffic light, the green, yellow and red. Green is what we can have in plenty. Like we can have to whatever extent we want. Mostly green is green leafy vegetables, fruits, whole grains. These are the ones that are mostly constituted.
We don't have to think about much before eating actually. So these are the like healthiest food जो हमें every day include करना ही है. We don't need to think कि हाँ ये खाना है कि नहीं खाना है मुझे.
और कितना खाना है. Like you don't have to.
कितना खाना है. Right.
And about the yellow foods, that is you can have in moderation. Like not like every day. Or even if you're having it every day, it should be in moderation. So even the things that are in yellow will be like, even if you think like olive oil or
Okay.
vegetable oil. Like some
Okay.
people think that okay, olive oil is very good, it is expensive, so let's use how much ever we want. No,
Yes. Yes.
any kind of oil still needs to be used in moderation. And this includes all the poultry, chicken, turkey. Even this has to be used in moderation. Cooked egg also needs to be in moderation. We can't be like egg is good, so let's eat 6 or 7 whole eggs in a day. No, maybe the egg whites, but the egg yolk, I think you should restrict it to one per day, 1 to 4 days. So these are the foods, and even yogurt, milk has to be had in moderation, not like how much ever we want. There's again a common misconception that milk is good. चलो बच्चा 1-2 लीटर पी जाए तो भी ठीक है, नहीं, इससे ठीक नहीं होगा.